Hello guys, there we have a INFINIX Hot 20i, and today I will tell you a few things to do if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on this device. So I'm always starting from the simplest way and the most obvious, but just reset your Bluetooth connection by opening the More connection in the settings, choose the Bluetooth, and if your Bluetooth is enabled, just reset it by this slider, then look for your Bluetooth accessory again. If you cannot find it, just go to the device name and try to give some give some refresh to the Bluetooth settings by renaming the name and look for the device again. But if that way doesn't work for you, you can always try to restart the device and restart the Bluetooth accessory by holding the power button and click restart. You have to remember that a lot of Bluetooth devices have something like a pair mode, and how to enable pair mode you will find it in the manual instructions to your device. You have to be sure that the Bluetooth accessory is visible for other devices. The next way is just Wi-Fi and Bluetooth reset settings. To do it, just go to the down in the settings and choose system. Now look for the reset phone and choose reset Wi-Fi settings. As you can see, there is a Bluetooth also. So to reset it, just click here and look for the device again. The next way is just check that you have any updates of your system. If you have any updates available, just download it and install it. And the last recommendation from me, just check your phone and your Bluetooth accessory on other device to check which device is making a problem. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, good luck with your Bluetooth accessories, and goodbye.